Are your gums shrinking after 50? Have you noticed your teeth looking longer than before, or feeling more sensitivity when drinking cold water? If yes, you are not alone. Gum recession is extremely common after the age of 50. But here is something most people do not know. There is one simple mistake that makes gum shrinkage much worse, and almost everyone keeps repeating it every single day. Stay with me, because fixing this mistake could help protect your remaining teeth and slow down further damage. First, let us understand what is actually happening. When gums shrink, they slowly pull away from the teeth. This exposes the root surface. Unlike the top part of the tooth, the root does not have strong enamel protection. That means more sensitivity, more risk of cavities, more risk of infection, and eventually loose teeth. Now here is the dangerous part. After 50, your gums naturally become thinner. Blood circulation reduces. Healing becomes slower. Bone density decreases. So even small damage can become a big problem. Now let us talk about the one mistake. Brushing too hard. Yes, brushing too aggressively is one of the biggest causes of gum recession in older adults. Many people believe that brushing harder means cleaning better. But the truth is the opposite. When you brush with too much pressure, especially using a hard bristle toothbrush, you slowly wear away the gum tissue. Over months and years, the gums begin to pull back. And once gum tissue is gone, it does not grow back naturally. This is where many people get confused. They search online for ways to regrow gums or regrow teeth. But the reality is this. Gum tissue and tooth enamel do not regenerate like skin. However, you can stop further damage, and in some cases, you can improve gum health significantly. Here are the warning signs you may be brushing too hard. Your toothbrush bristles spread out quickly. Your gums bleed often. You feel sensitivity near the gum line. Your dentist mentions gum recession. If any of these sound familiar, it is time to change your brushing method. Here is what you should do instead. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. Not medium, not hard, soft. Hold the brush gently. Use small circular motions. Do not scrub back and forth aggressively. Brush for 2 minutes, but focus on gentleness, not force. If possible, switch to an electric toothbrush with a pressure sensor. Many modern brushes alert you if you press too hard. Now let us talk about something equally important. Dry mouth. After 50, many people take medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or heart conditions. These medications can reduce saliva. Saliva protects your gums and teeth. Without enough saliva, bacteria grow faster. Inflammation increases. Gums shrink more quickly. So make sure to drink enough water. Chew sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva. And talk to your doctor if dry mouth is severe. Another mistake that makes gum recession worse is ignoring early signs. Many older adults think, I already lost some teeth, so what difference does it make? This thinking is dangerous. Your remaining teeth are extremely valuable. Even losing one more tooth can affect chewing, nutrition, speech, and facial structure. Healthy gums are the foundation of strong teeth. Now let me address something important. Can gums grow back naturally? In advanced recession, no, not completely. But in early stages, inflammation can reduce, gums can tighten, and the condition can stabilize. Professional deep cleaning, also called scaling and root planing, can remove bacteria under the gums. This helps gums reattach slightly and reduces further loss. Some people may need gum graft surgery, where healthy tissue is placed over exposed roots. But this is decided by a dental professional. Now here is something hopeful. Even if you cannot regrow lost gum tissue, you can absolutely prevent further shrinking. Thousands of older adults maintain stable gums into their 70s and 80s simply by improving daily habits. Let me summarize the most important steps. Number 1, stop brushing aggressively. Number 2, use a soft brush and gentle circular motions. Number 3, floss carefully once daily to remove bacteria between teeth. Number 4, stay hydrated and manage dry mouth. Number 5, visit a dentist regularly for cleaning and gum evaluation. Remember, gum recession is slow. It happens over years. That means you have time to slow it down, but only if you act now. If you are over 50, and especially if you have already lost teeth, protecting your remaining gums should be your top priority. Your gums are the soil. Your teeth are the roots. If the soil disappears, the roots cannot survive. Do not let one simple mistake steal more of your smile. Start brushing smarter, not harder. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel, we focus on helping older adults protect their teeth, improve gum health, and avoid unnecessary tooth loss. Your smile is still worth saving at any age. Stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.